Oh,
yeah.
oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, don't need to apologize, man. You're good.
Slower. Slower. Woohoo! Yeah! So now I start trying to get back up, eh? All right. I can't feel my hands.
Oh, I can't feel my arms. I got you. I knew I shouldn't do this, but
Yeah! Woo!
so the axe is like stuck.
Okay, try and reach with your right hand as high as you can.
On a bit. Yeah. That was an experience. My arms are numb.
No, I'm not. It doesn't stuck, man. I feel so terrible.
Okay.
I shouldn't come here.
Drop the hand down like this, and you can stick out your arms.
Yeah. Is that the belt or?
Yeah, it's up. Basically, wait.
Okay. Please, guys, no smiling, no laughing.
You're all right, man.
Thank you guys so much.
Great. Okay.
It's a start to ice climbing.
No, that was a finish. That was a finish right there.